What are we gonna eat? What are we
Yeah.
gonna eat? We're about to eat our first meal, Daddy. Let's put it in the little bowl like this because they say.
Hey.
Oh, Hallie. The way I don't understand these kind of directions.
Say, come on, Mom. There's definitely directions on there. There's definitely directions.
Alright.
Got some crazy hair.
Open up.
First bite of real food. Ooh!
Are you gonna take a picture?
Yeah.
Come here.
What is it, Bud? What is it?
Here.
Ooh! What is that, Mom?
Here. Eat it.
Come on.
Here. I think it hurts his gums. Maybe the silver.
Spoon.
You think he's allergic to it?
He's not allergic to it. Take two.
Alright, let's try some. Let's try some applesauce. Let's try some applesauce. You gotta put it in your mouth. I'm ready. 1, 2, open up. Open up.
Good job.
Is that good? I don't think he minds it. Alright, let's go. Open up. That's not that bad, is it, buddy? It's kind of good, Daddy. Here. Alright, let's open up. Open up. Open up.
Good job, Bud.
Do you think he's like